Fidget spinners are really popular nowadays, and we wanted to make some of our own, but without ball bearings. So, this is just one of the many ways to do it. We hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts. To make the fidget spinners, you will need some foam board, a box cutter and scissors, hot glue, 3 pennies, an extra skinny wooden dowel or a toothpick, anything to poke a hole with, a pencil or pen. This is optional, but we're using markers and glitter sticker paper. And finally, you'll need a fidget spinner to use as a guide. Start by tracing an outline of your fidget spinner on some foam board. Then using a box cutter or, if you can, scissors, cut out the basic shape of the fidget spinner. Using an awl, we poked a hole in the center of what seemed to be our brand new fidget spinner. Then we tried it out, and it works really well. Trace a penny twice on a piece of foam board and cut it out. These are going to be the handholds of our fidget spinner. This step is optional, but we cover our handholds with some Stickerback glitter paper. We did the same thing for the full fidget spinner too. Then we trimmed the sides to make it neater and re-poked our hole. We also colored the sides with some marker. Confession? Because we were feeling too lazy to wrap it around and make it look nicer. Now it's time to assemble the fidget spinner. Figure out where you want your handholds to go and cut a piece of the wooden dowel according to those measurements. Then attach the handholds to the wooden dowel using some glue. Attach one handhold to the wooden dowel, push the wooden dowel through, and attach the other handhold. Make sure the glue does not touch the actual fidget spinner. Otherwise, the spinner won't spin. Next, glue the pennies onto the fidget spinner to act as the weights. And voila! Your fidget spinner is complete. Because we did not use any ball bearings, it doesn't spin as fast or as long as a store-bought fidget spinner. But hey, at least it was a fun project to try. We hope you enjoy making these fidget spinners as much as we did.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!